Hello, my name is Anirban Sarkar and currently I'm working as a information security analyst in ISOEH Kolkata. So today I'm going to show you how to install Kali Linux on your VirtualBox. So you know that for doing hacking, Kali Linux is a very essential OS, right? Just like in Windows, Uh, Kali Linux is also an operating system. It's based on Linux, a Debian-based Linux, actually, if I want may say. So why do we use Kali Linux for hacking? We can also do hacking from Windows or like other Linux distribution like Ubuntu or Manjaro KDE. But we choose to use Linux because there are some pre-installed tools that comes with Kali by default. The tools that help us to attack our target, right? So that is why to use Kali Linux is very essential. So today I'm going to show you how to use Kali Linux or download Kali Linux and install it on your VirtualBox. And what is a VirtualBox basically? VirtualBox is basically giving you a platform, a virtual platform to install your operating system inside an operating system. Right. Now you can see that in that screen that I'm using Windows right now. Now what VirtualBox does, I can install another operating system inside this Windows. So that's why it is called an operating system inside an operating system. So let's download VirtualBox first. So to download VirtualBox, you need to go to google.com and write download VirtualBox. And when you search it on Google, you find it a link called www.virtualbox.org. You go to that link, it's powered by Oracle. And according to your distribution, you download your setup file. Like I'm using Windows right now, so I'm clicking on Windows host. So when you click that link, the download will automatically begin. So I have already installed my virtual machine. The installation process is very simple. You have to just click it on this software and make it like just keep clicking on next and finish, just like usual installation. So after installing that, you need to download the setup file of our operating system. So go back to google.com and search for Kali Linux. And you can find that the first link, it's called www.kali.org. So you go to that link. This is the home page of Kali Linux. It is the open source operating system that means that anyone can contribute to that operating system. Now click on download. After clicking download, you will get two options, like one is ISO image and other one is virtual machines. So what is the difference between those tools are, right? Kali is providing right now two kind of images. One is the base one, the ISO image, and other one is for specifically for virtual machines. So if you want to download this ISO image, you can download it from the scratch. Like you can modify, configure it by your own. Like you can choose your disk partition and network configuration. You can do it by your own. And what is this does the virtual machine? It is recommended for any virtual box. It will download a pre-configured operating system, a pre-configured file. So if I want to download this one, it will take like according to your operating system or your machine configuration, it will take some time. Like minimum, it will take 15 to 20 minutes, or it will take more than 30 minutes. And if I want to use this one, it will comfortably took less time than the main ISO image. So we just continue with the virtual machines one. So click on this. You will find multiple files over there. So as we are using VirtualBox right now, let's click on this setup box only. So I'm clicking on this VirtualBox. So there are multiple mirror sites are over there, multiple. So we are clicking on this one. And after clicking this, your installation will begin. So I have already downloaded this. It is 3 GB of file. So I'm cancelling this one out and I'm going to my desktop, and where I put it down my virtual machines. This one, this is the file. So it is basically a zip file. So you need to go there and you have to make it a zip. So just click and extract. Use any software, you can use WinRAR. I'm using 7-zip. So just extract this. I'm clicking on extract here. So let's give it some time to extract. Right. So you can see a folder has been created. That has been extracted. Now I'm going to this folder. So there are two files over there. So I just want to click it. It is as simple as that. Just click on this. Double click. The type is VirtualBox machine. So you have to just click here and open this file. And it will automatically open your VirtualBox with this setup also, like Kali Linux 2023. So you have to select this one and just click on start. So it is powering up your virtual machine. It will take some time. So it's starting. Let's maximize it. So you can see, so our boot grub menu is loading up. So press enter. So it's loading. It is initial setup. Just give it some time. So it's starting. Yeah. So when you download the OBM file, the by default username and password is Kali, and username is Kali and password is also Kali. You can also you change this password and username on your own. So it has been started. Let's click on view and made it on full screen mode. So you can see our machine has been installed. If I open my terminal, so it is working. Let's run some command. Yeah, it is working. Perfect. So this is how you can download and install a Kali Linux in your virtual machine very quickly and very easily. It's not a conventional method of installing like from the scratch. It is a installing method of VirtualBox, which is recommended. Thank you.